Linamar, and as you guys can tell from this title, I have a plant haul. Now, some of my new followers, hello and welcome, and also to my old followers, thank you for sticking with me. Some of you may know that a plant haul is nothing new to this channel, and during lockdown and quarantine I have just been hoarding and collecting more and more and more and more plants. Now this is my third order from House of Kojo. This is not sponsored. Paid for these with my own money. I really liked the price, the quality, the customer service, the general delivery, and just all-round service from these guys. So I made another purchase and I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Now the first one I can see, just a little one here. Let's open this up. Now I've forgotten what most of these are. By the way, I'm a complete beginner when it comes to plants. I have killed so many along the years.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
But this time I'm really determined to just figure it out somehow. Ooh. This is gonna make such a mess. This is the only thing I don't like about unboxing plants, is the mess it makes. But hey ho. Life of a plant parent. I don't know the name. It hasn't travelled all that great, I'll be honest, but it's absolutely fine. It's still healthy, and yeah, I'm liking this. Just need to give him a little bit of an untangle. Another small one in here, so let's see what we have. How have you guys been? It's been a while since I've been on here. I've had a lot going on, a lot of personal stuff, but hopefully, I know I always say this, I'll be making more regular content. Now this, woo! I again have killed many of these. This is I'm gonna get the names, pronunciations wrong. Ceropegia, Woodii, I think. A string of hearts. And I recently picked up a variegated one as well yesterday from a place in East London. I will leave all the details on screen and in the description. I picked up a variegated one, which seemed to be quite hard to come by. Did overpay for it, but anyway, this one that I picked up from House of Kojo, and the soil is not packed very well. It's all just kind of like spilling out. It's gonna make such a mess. This is the String of Hearts Durban, I think they are. The shape is a little bit more, slightly different to the standard one. And yes, my standard one, I'm trying to save it, so don't judge me. But yes, String of Hearts. Now this one was upside down. The other one was, I don't know, let's just pray and hope it's okay. I'm gonna have to hoover.
Oh my god! Wow!
It's so pretty! I forgot the name of this one as well. But I am loving sort of pink plants or purple plants. And this little one here, it's a little bit squished, but it's fine, it's fine. We're gonna save you. We're gonna give you a nice new home. I'm hoping that it's going to trail. It's so pretty. I absolutely love this one. And I mean, this one's quite heavy. I cannot for the life of me remember what it is. So let's be honest, how many of you guys have been getting into plants during lockdown or even before, and how many of you guys have killed your plants? Be honest and tell me your answer. And what are you guilty of? Overwatering, underwatering? I still don't know what I'm doing wrong, so trying to figure that out. By the way, any care tips for any of these plants is much appreciated. So this one is some type of Hoya. I think it's, I don't want to say pink princess, just check on screen. I have a smaller one of this, but again, I wanted one that was trailing because I'm really getting into hanging plants at the moment, so I'm liking trailing plants. And this one has like pink vines. I just think it's so pretty, and sometimes it has like slight pink on the leaves, so yeah, loving that. Let's get into this one. So I really like ferns. I have been 100% guilty of killing all of my past ferns, but I think I've got it down.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a...
They like a lot of water and moisture and humidity. Each one is slightly different, but I'm a little bit braver when it comes to ferns now, and I've bought two. One of them is a Ming fern, I don't know which one's which. They look very herby, but I like these kind of soft, oh my god, the mess! I'll show you guys in the end. I like these kind of wispy, soft, whimsical looking plants. I think they look really boho. So yeah, that's how I got it. And this is quite a beast. Kind of looks like rosemary, but I don't mind that. I kind of like it. Doesn't look real. He feels lovely. Yeah, that is some type of fern. I need new pots. If anyone knows good places to buy cheap pots with drainage holes, please leave your suggestions in the comments. Much, much appreciated. On to the next one. Oh, this is the other fern, so I know what's left in the last unboxing. This one reminds me of a Christmas tree. I don't know how I feel about that, in all honesty, looking at it. But I've seen a few people online when I've been watching plant tours, and this just looked really pretty, so let's see. They're a lot bigger than I thought. I don't know if I've got the space for this. Now, this is a very common house plant. Now, I've had one before, but it was just growing out of control, and the place where I was staying, it was quite small, so I just didn't have the space to keep him, and he was just getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and I didn't know about propagation and all that stuff back then. But now he's in my possession again. Now, I will say, if you are on the hunt for a lot of these big house plants, by the way, it's a Monstera Deliciosa. It's a Monstera if you didn't know. If you're on the hunt for a lot of these big house plants, you should definitely check out a lot of supermarkets. I know Sainsbury's are so good, and Morrison's, for houseplants that are fairly cheap, and I found them to be quite decent as well, and like in good condition. But here is my Monstera Deliciosa. One of his leaves has come.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Doesn't even have a stem. What can I do? It doesn't have a stem to propagate it. And look at that one. There's a baby one coming through. Definitely to check this guy for some insects. And that's another tip. If you are bringing new plants into your house, double check them for any pests or insects before you add them in with the others. And yeah, that is the end of my plant haul. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, to subscribe, like, comment, all that jazz. And if you want to see a plant tour or a plant collection video, then let me know in the comments, because I could definitely do that. I can talk about plants all day long. In the meantime, thanks for watching, stay safe, and yeah, peace. The mess I have created for myself. There's soil all over here, on the floor, under this, just a whole heap of a mess. So yeah.